Jungle.
This video is the continuation of the video called Create a Workflow in 3 Minutes. Here, we will discover the different possibilities to simplify the life of your users at each stage of the workflow. To modify our workflow, click on Edit the Workflow. The first thing to do is define who are the actors at each step of the workflow. To define the actors of a step, click on the wrench icon, then on the Step Actors option. In this window, choose the actors of the step. In my example, for the incident analysis step, I choose the option Always the following people. Then I select the group Technical Team in the address book. To make life easier for the actors of the workflow, you can clearly explain to them what to do at each step. To do this, choose the option Instructions for the Actors. The text is free. It can be a list of things to check, a procedure with instructions, and it's really up to you to decide what is most relevant for your use case. Your workflow can also automatically trigger actions at each step. To do this, click on the Triggered Actions option. Actions can be sending an email. In this case, choose the recipients from the different options available, generating a document, for example, a PDF document, calling an external API, which makes it possible to trigger actions in systems external to Pickaform. Finally, to make the UI more appealing, you can set specific colors and icons for each decision. For example, green for positive actions, red for negative actions. The icons also help to have more clarity. By doing so, each action in the workflow will have a very clear visual identification, and this will help users when making their decision. Now let's exit the workflow design environment and show how users will see these changes. Click on Save and Exit, then return to the form. We now see the instructions for the current step in the header of the form. By taking the Submit to Technical Team decision, the workflow goes to the next step. This time, we see that the actors of the step are indeed the technical team group, and we also see that the buttons for making decisions are very easy to identify. That's all. If you want to see the workflow in action from start to finish, be sure to watch the next recommended video.
Audio Jungle.